Hey guys, so you got a really nice ARE V series. Fits the 2016 to current model Toyota Tacoma with a 5.2 bed. Inferno Red's the color. This one's, man, it's got nothing wrong with it. Some very minor nicks on this. Like close you're gonna get to new. It's in good shape. No damage through here. Top and the top edge look good. No damage, no nicks on this. Have a real minor, there's a little itty bitty tiny chip right there. Probably don't even see it. Bottom edge looks good. This has not been set on the ground. A lot of the times we get these, people have already taken them off, set them on the ground and chipped the edges up. This one's in good shape. Minor nick right there. Bottom edge looks good, it's in great shape. Does have the half side sliders on the side. Front sliding window in the front. A little bitty minor nick right there. And a little bit of a nick there where the brake light, behind the brake light goes. And probably another one right there. Like, right there. There it is. Really, and those we won't even see them because they're behind the cab anyway. So this is one of the nicest ones I've seen for a while. So it does have the sliding window in it. Slides open, so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Slides back shut, seals up. This side's in great shape. No damage on this side that I can see. Bottom edge is in great shape on here, as well as taken right off the truck, so there's no damage there at all. Half side sliders on this side. Single T-handle locking rear door. No damage along the back side. I got one little tiny nick right there. Oops, there it is. Right there. Really, I mean, that's nothing. Inside, just bare fiberglass. About looks new. Screens look good. No problems with the screens at all. No holes in the screens. Tiny little snag right there. That's probably the worst of it. On this side, screens look good. No holes on this side. Serial number right there, 2017 Toyota Double Cab was what it was specifically built for, 2017, but that fits the 2016 to 2024 at this point in time. 4X0 Inferno Red is the color. So there it is. Got a cab high ARE V series. Fits the 2016 to 24 Toyota Tacoma with a 5.2 bed. Inferno Red. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, check, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, what have you, you can just click that link, go to our website, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and get that taken care of for you there as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain color, certain model, certain style, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to subscribe below to stay up to date on inventory as that happens. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.